Jyeshtha Purnima is an auspicious day. On this day, the deities in the temples all over Bharata are given ceremonial bath called Abhisheka. In Jagannath Puri, Jyeshtha Purnima is celebrated as Snana Purnima or Snana Yatra. It is the appearance day or the birthday of Lord Jagannath and is one of the 12 main festivals celebrated in the temple. Only once a year, the Mula Vigrahas of the Lord receive Abhisheka on this day. In the morning, the Mula Vigrahas of Lord Jagannatha, Baladeva, Subhadra and Sudarshana are brought in a procession called Pahandi to the Snana Mantapa located above the first prakara of the temple. From here, devotees can have darshan of the Snana Yatra. The deities receive Abhisheka from the 108 golden pots. The water in these pots is fetched from Sonakupa within the temple complex of Lord Jagannatha. Sonakupa remains dry throughout the year without even a drop of water. However, just before the Snana Purnima, the water appears miraculously in the Sonakupa. The water of Sonakupa is equated to the water of Viraja river in the spiritual world. After Abhisheka, Lord Jagannatha is adorned in a unique Gajavesha resembling Lord Ganesha. Since the Lord is bathed with cold and lots of water, he catches cold and fever and retires for a complete rest of 15 days known as Anavasara. During these 15 days, the public darshan is stopped. The Lord is not fed usual bhoga, instead he is offered medicines which are prepared by his personal servants. Nobody knows what happens within the Anavasara Mantapa. Only few of his personal servants are allowed to attend to the Lord. During this period, devotees have darshan of Lord Alarnath, which is near Puri. After complete rest, Lord Jagannatha gives his darshan to devotees in the Anavasara Mantapa in his rejuvenated body. Anyone who has darshan of the Lord in the Anavasara Mantapa doesn't get fever for 1 year. After that, there is a ceremony called as Netrotsava in which Lord's eyes are painted and Lord Jagannatha gets ready for the upcoming Rath Yatra festival.